Hype. Excitement or buzz around something. Example: this concert is so hyped, everyone's talking about it. Cringe. Something awkward or embarrassing. Example: that joke was so cringe, nobody laughed. Clout. Influence or fame. Example: she's posting with celebrities just for clout. Savage. Someone bold or ruthless. Example: he called out his boss in a meeting, so savage. GOAT, greatest of all time. The best in their field. Example: LeBron James is the GOAT of basketball. Shook. Shocked or surprised. Example: when they cancelled the show, I was shook. Gucci. Cool or awesome. Example: everything's Gucci now that the exam is over. No cap. No lie, being truthful. Example: this pizza is the best, no cap. Thirsty. Desperate for attention. Example: that comment was so thirsty, just chill. Salty. Bitter or upset. Example: don't be salty because I won the game. Flex. Showing off. Example: he flexed his new car on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.